Hello wherever you are, this is Matt from the Arribatec Training Centre. Welcome back to our YouTube playlist where we are looking at methods for uploading data into Unit4 ERP. The next 7 videos will focus on using SQL coding along with a SQL application to import data. Now, I'm most certainly not a programmer, so I promise that anything I'm going to show you here is most definitely within your ability, assuming you have the relevant software and system access. I hope you find it useful. Let's go! Another way to migrate data into the system is through SQL. Some very simple SQL coding can be used to migrate large amounts of data into the system, although some setup is required. The process for this is first to find the name of the table that you want to migrate information into. In this example, we're using a Flexi-Field table in an attribute master file. Once you've found the table, you can use a SQL program, in this case we're using SQL Server Management Studio, to find out how the data is formatted in the database. You can then extract that information into Excel and add all the lines you need to migrate into the system. Once you have all the lines created, you can then format them into a new SQL command that you can paste back into the SQL application. Once you've run the SQL command, assuming all your formatting and lines are correct, the new data will be migrated into the table of your choice. The first part of this process then is to find the table name. In this case, we're using a Flexi-Field. So we will start off by looking at which attribute the Flexi-Field is part of. This Flexi-Field table is linked to an attribute called DM attribute. If we use the Link Flexi-Field Group to Attribute screen, we can see that the Flexi-Field group is actually called DMFF Group, Data Migration Flexi-Field Group. We can also see on this same screen that the data table is AFX DMFF Group. So that is the table name we need to look up in our SQL application to see how that data is formatted. And we will do that in the next video. As always, thanks for watching.